Yo, there's an influx of people using Remotion. David Audrey is going to be the one I'm interviewing, and let's see how it goes.
You tell it what you want in plain English, and it creates professional animations from scratch. It's insane. For example, this entire video you're watching right now was made just by typing into Claude Code. No animations, no touching UI, plain English. Now, you might be thinking, but David, how is this even possible? Well, all of this is powered by Remotion, which lets us create videos programmatically. But now, Remotion has released their own agent skills, which means that Claude Code, OpenCode, and other AI agents can finally use it. So in this video, we'll go over what Remotion is, how to set up these new agent skills, and how to actually use it for your own AI marketing to grow.
Before we even hop into it on a deeper level, I want you guys to look at this video that he said is completely made with Remotion and look at how much cuts it takes, right? I'm going to go on a limb and say those are real people cutting it. The video in the background, which would be the Remotion, how is it possible? That was probably like a separate video programmatically made with Remotion. I've used Remotion. It's not that good. There's a lot of errors if you like edit for real that you probably don't want to deal with for real, for real. It may be some quirky things that I'm saying, but I've passed it around to some editors. They wouldn't use it over any Adobe. At least not yet. There's a lot of things that you could use it for. Maybe as a programmer myself, I could use it, but I probably wouldn't. I'm more on the authentic. Let me record, hit play. I'm not editing because it looks like in the world of AI, raw, authentic videos is going out of style. So why edit anymore? If you're a creator, you're a creator. It'll get views.
Grow your business. So make sure to watch until the end. Here is another example of what this Remotion skill can do. Now, everything except for the design of the characters was generated and stitched together with Claude Code. So this entire video you're watching was created with Claude Code. Someone typing English and Claude Code designing a video of this video game. Crazy. Here's another example that was made with Remotion, Claude Code, and anti-gravity. Now, personally, I'm not a animator or a designer, and doing something like this would take me many hours because I would first have to learn these softwares. But now you can just type to Claude Code and Claude Code will build it for you. So not only can you use AI to build your product, now you can use AI to market it as well. It has never been a better time to start your own business. Okay.
What's bridge? Let me see. Let's see. Cause I'm personally not trying to remake the real. If Post Bridge does what it's supposed to do, you know what I mean? Like, I don't mind giving it a shot. Build with AI, perfect workflow. Right? This should be the website. Hopefully. The social media scheduler for founders. Okay. Post to all platforms. Start posting. Publish everywhere. This looks like a fancy HubSpot, no? And create videos easy. Oh, okay. All right. I'm not gonna lie to you. This HubSpot. Wow. See, you want to know the thing about it? The reason I didn't want to do it is because you had to have a lot of assets in your library. And that in itself is going to be annoying, as well as trying to tell it where to cut. You don't like this a part of the video. It was just nitpicky. I ain't gonna lie to you. There was a lot of stuff that I didn't want to have to do for it, but I'm gonna make
Okay,
sure I
so
check out
what is
Postbridge.
Remotion? What's the thing that makes all of this possible? Well, Remotion is a framework for creating videos programmatically using Rust. And the code looks something like this. You can think of it as a website that gets recorded frame by frame into a video file. So you get the data either from APIs, databases, or user input, and then each of the render that Remotion makes produces a unique video automatically. Now, the reason why AI agents love it is that they are great at writing code. So whether it's Claude Code, OpenCode, or any other coding agent, they already excel at writing code. However, these same agents are terrible at using complex graphical user interfaces like After Effects, Premiere Pro, or any other app designed for humans. Remotion fixes this. It turns video creation and animations into React components. So
No, it doesn't fix it. It just gives you a platform to kind of like, you know, do what you need to do and see if you can do it at a faster pace.
all right, I'm gonna paste the terminal command in this folder, choose a blank template, boom, add tell for a blank Remotion project. And what remains is the same folder, type in Claude to launch Claude Code, give it permissions for this. Make sure to use a very detailed prompt and ask Claude to use the Remotion skill. So I just pasted it as well so that actually we can probably delete several of these. All right, just cleaned up a bit. I'm gonna interrupt this. Okay, I'm gonna tell it to stop organizing, read prompt 01, and actually build it using the Remotion skills you have.
You know, the one thing I'll say is I didn't have a organized prompt one file. I could try that. You know what I mean? I could. It's not like something I'm opposed to, but you all, yeah, this is the same shit I got. Same
This is
shit.
pretty nice. Okay, guys, this is wild. Let me make this bigger. This is actually crazy. Written by Claude Code. Imagine having to do this by yourself.
It's not that impressive. I'm not gonna lie to you. It's not that. You see what I mean, guys? Like it's really like one of those things where for sure 1,000% you will have to get under the hood, not as a programmer, but as an editor and write to Claude and tell it what to remove. Imagine having to write your edits instead of just click, 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 click on like a Adobe or something. You get what I mean? Like it's not. The video I got, I would show it to you, but I deleted it already. The shit is like what, 2 gigabytes? I tried to make 4 or 5 videos. I was proud at the last video, but it was like 6 gigabytes. I was already 12 gigabytes deep. I'm just sitting here like, yo, it took me like the amount of time that it would take for a good edit to get a worse edit than a actual video that I didn't want. And I'm sitting here like, this low key, I don't see how I can make it work. I'd rather pay an editor.
Doing this manually would take forever. Single prompt in plain English. Okay, so boom, paste it in. A little shorter, almost the assets go, and now it created, but it's solid. It's solid. And everything is programmatic. Everything is React code. And you can see your assets right here. So obviously we have the Claude startup file. And now we have the Claude add. So we can see it being built in real time. Claude add is here. Okay, let's zoom out to fit. Look at this. Is it finished yet? Okay, this one's faster. Okay, 2 minutes. Dog terminal beginning. So we have a desktop view here. Make it a bit bigger. So the terminal goes icon, clicks. Okay, it didn't click on the terminal, it clicked on the browser. But it opens the terminal. It types in CD subscribe to the channel. Very nice. Look at this, guys. This is crazy. This is all code. This is all animated. Animator would take a lot of time. It's an advertisement for Claude Code. In a single prompt, less than 2 minutes, obviously.
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie to you. You guys could try it out. Personally, the next time I try Remotion, it'll be on a more capable computer. I guess that's the only flaw that I'll say. I'm not afraid to hide my flaws. I was on a laptop that I'm not trying to put too much space on, so I'm not trying to just sit there and, fidget with it for hours. But on a good live stream, I might touch this topic again and kick back a couple apple juice, or beers. I don't know. I love apple juice. Fun fact. And just see how capable I can make a product and ship it to market to compete against Adobe. That's the only reason I'd use it. I would not use it like if I get a project that competes with one of the big conglomerates, head into the movie studios, man. That's the goal. But for now, I don't think I use the full capacity of Remotion. I don't think David Andre is gonna use it to the full capacity as well. Not because he's not able to, but he's not a film person. I literally want to sit down in a room during that time I do embark on this journey with a film person. Ask it the quirks, the stuff that they would like to be fixed, and ask it how you would build this product. Even give them a chance to whip around with the prompt injections and stuff like that. Just to have more context and research there with me, because this is not a project a programmer can make. Um, Code only gives you a generalized project. That's why it's so basic. You told it to give you a video of an ad for Claude, and it's going to give you a video of an ad for Claude. That's literally it. But if you tell it to cinematically give it in a specific way, I'm not a film person, so I can't put those words onto Claude. It probably give you something on a basic level, not on a grandiose level. And that's where, as a programmer, we can try to solve the problem as to why is it so basic, not why the video isn't playing the way I want. We could probably add some GUIs, that's what they call it, graphic user interface, to make it more appealing to the eye. You get what I mean? This is not appealing. I ain't using it on any of the videos. That's just me though. Um, but if you guys like the video, like, comment, subscribe. I don't do this for no other reason other than to react to new tech, and a like and comment always helps me out.